Namaskar. Experiencing spiritualism for beginners by observing our mind-body intellect system as it experiences life processes from sunrise to sunset is extremely important. We need to simply observe and remain aware about self like in a dark room where nothing is visible, but we experience full consciousness level. In first wave of consciousness, as we get up in the morning with still and silence mind, our consciousness experience expansion and objectification process starts by mind. We experience life as so many forms of relationship gets formed. So many identities from engineers, doctors, spiritual masters, etc. get formed. Status gets formed. Identities of class, category, community, nations, etc. get formed. The silence and still mind of morning experience the turbulence with so many identities and gets attached in spite of knowing that I ceased to exist as son or daughter when I lost my parents, but life goes on without flow of relationships. By the time day ends and finally as prepared to sleep, another interesting thing domains of life starts. As the consciousness starts backward journey, I say the journey from infinite to zero starts and we get ready to experience the second wave of consciousness. The second wave of consciousness, as we move into sleeping state, all our identities, symbolism, relationship, etc. starts vanishing. We abandon everything without any choice and we become nothing. No sense of male, female, nationality and all that represent us disappears as we become nothing. Our consciousness moves from everything to nothing, but we always fall to detect this transition. Every day we experience this transition, but nothing gets registered and we fail every time. Next day when we wake up, cycle gets ready to repeat, but we land into so many questions. Can we have those answers? Did our instruments not designed to register the transition like entering from one time zone to another time zone? Who sleeps and who wakes up and who exactly experiences all these processes? Who sees those dreams which at times are so accurate, even remember moving at different time zones and also recollects and reconnects all the dots? Did someone remember all the transition stages within us? Is it possible to understand the life in totality without knowing this transition zone when we become nothing for almost 25 years of our life? We abandon so many things, then why we are so concerned about our identities that never exist, even for more than 24 hours? As nothing seems permanent. Are we something more than this? Please think over and explore. The conversation between King Ajasatru and Gargi as mentioned in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad may please be referred. Thank you. Namaskar.